What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add the transition between two videos in Canva PC. So firstly, what you want to do after you added your videos to the timeline is to go with your cursor between your two clips, and as you can see here we have the option to add transition. So let's click on it. Then what we have to do is to choose the transition that we want to use. So let's say for this tutorial that we're going to use this one. Now, after you choose your transition that you're going to use, you can set a duration for it. So let's set 1 second. Also, if the transition has a direction, you can choose the direction of the transition. So let's do this one and let's see how the transition looks. And as simple as this, you just added a transition between two clips in Canva PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.